So it looks like I'm the only person in the car park, the only person walking through this ancient stretch of totara forest. Totara is a kind of native tree here in New Zealand. Over the sand dunes and heading towards the west coast beach. And it's beautiful, it's so peaceful. Got a little bit of dappled light coming through. It's a little bit dark, so it'll be interesting to see how the 1X handles this. I've been very privileged the last couple of days to be walking around here. People have been super friendly right from the word go when I actually hitched a lift from a shuttle driver because I had no cash. And he just waved it and dropped me off by the hostel, which is a good 2 k's away from the airport. Yeah, just people at the Tourist Information Centre sorting things out for me. The woman who took me on a tour to Hokitika Gorge this morning actually wants to book me to make a video for her, which is great. And then I managed to get in contact with somebody who had a car that kind of like turned up, but I managed to hire that for the day for $49. So I managed to get out to Dorothy Falls, which I wasn't sure if I was going to do. Of course, teamed down with rain as soon as I got there. And then I've been to Lake Kinieri, and then to another lake this afternoon. I forget the name, I don't want to get it wrong, so I'll tell you later. It's quite an important lake in Māori history. It's a war that happened there, a battle where there was a great loss of life. So it's considered tapu, which is sacred in Māori. And now I'm heading out to the coast. I found my first bit of jade, pounamu, and also a nice big lump of serpentine, which I'm going to try and polish up with a bit of wet and dry sandpaper. It's okay for you to take stuff if it's not on Department of Conservation land here in New Zealand. So that's good to know. Alright, let's get through this forest.